if you want to rank your blog on Google. It all depends upon your level of optimization and keywords you have used in the blog. You need to optimize your blog or website with all 5 types of SEO techniques. 1. On-page SEO. 2. Off-page SEO. 3. Local SEO. 4. Universal SEO. 5. Technical SEO. After implementing all these techniques perfectly, if your keywords have high volume, like 10,000 to 100,000, and difficulty level is high, your blog may take 2 to 3 months time to rank on Google. If you use less volume keywords, and difficulty level is low, then your blog will take 1 to 2 months time to rank on Google. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.